The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be an extraordinary flagship expected to arrive in early 2027, packed with top-tier specs that push smartphone performance to the next level. Rumor discussions and speculative concept previews envision the phone featuring a massive 400MP primary camera that could drastically enhance detail capture, zoom, and low-light imaging compared with current flagship shooters, combined with advanced imaging software to make full use of that resolution. Alongside this, the S27 Ultra is anticipated to be powered by the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, delivering industry-leading performance for gaming, AI tasks, and multitasking. To support all this power and longevity, some reports and concept info suggest an exceptionally large 9,000 mAh battery, designed to offer multi-day usage even under heavy workloads, paired with ultra-fast charging and wireless charging options. The device will likely sport a stunning dynamic AMOLED display with high refresh rates for smooth visuals, premium materials and design, robust connectivity, including advanced 5G, and potentially early 6G readiness, under-display security, and all the software polish of Samsung's One UI on the latest Android release. With these expected features, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could set a new benchmark for flagship phones when it launches in early 2027.